Earn more with these affiliate marketing tips. Affiliate marketing is the concept of using one website to send traffic to another business and is an effective method of online marketing, which is underutilized and overlooked by many businesses. This video can help you to understand these concepts and you can see great increases in your business and profits in an exponential way. Make sure you pick products that you are familiar and comfortable with. You want to pick something that you know you can advertise well to maximize the amount of potential profit available to you. You don't want to get stuck trying to promote products you have little or no information about. Make sure to allow for time to work on your site, especially early on. All affiliate marketers have a goal of owning a work-free site, but getting there takes time. In the beginning, spend some time developing your graphics, updating your design, and doing some research. You'll see a better payoff in the end. Check the company's reputation. Working with a company who has a bad reputation is pretty obviously a bad idea, but dig a little deeper to see how their underlying reputation looks. They may have undisclosed issues, like a lawsuit that hasn't made the news yet. You don't want to affiliate yourself with a company that will, in the end, damage your reputation as well. Any affiliate company you choose to work with should offer you a wide range of materials to use. It is in a company's best interest to help its affiliates generate traffic so that everyone can profit. So if a company is not offering resources for you, you should realize that this company is not worth working for. As clearly stated in the beginning of the video, affiliate marketing is a great way to be able to increase your business while working with another business in a reciprocal manner. By understanding and applying these practices, you can see increased traffic to your business as well as a positive relationship with a business that was simply a competitor before. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.